In this video, we're going over how to pair your AirPods to the Samsung Galaxy A10e. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to pair your AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy A10e. The first thing you'll need to do is just swipe down from the top of your screen here, look for the little Bluetooth icon and just hold down on it. It will take you to the Bluetooth section of your phone. First you're going to turn on Bluetooth, and it will immediately begin to search for the AirPods. Now on the AirPods, there's a little button on the back, right at the bottom here. You're just gonna first open up the AirPods. There's a little indicator light that you're gonna see. It's gonna be green initially. What you're gonna need to do is hold down on that button for about a few seconds. Wait until you see the little icon inside of your AirPods begin to flash white. A little white light. Let's go ahead and hold down on it. Okay, so now it's flashing, and give it a second, you should see it pop on this list. If you don't see it, you'll need to come up here and hit scan and have it research again to find the AirPods. Now we can see it here, Wayne's AirPods. We'll tap on that. They'll begin to pair. Press OK. And now we're connected. So just that easy, you can pair your AirPods and then begin to use them to make calls and listen to music as well. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.